By now, you're probably used to approving transactions in your mobile app or by text. These security features keep you safe. But criminals can trick you into sharing this information to authorize payments that you didn't make. They steal your credit or debit card details from data breaches or dodgy websites. Or maybe you've given them away without thinking after a bogus text or email. With your card details to hand, they can try to make a purchase. But we're always on the lookout for payments that don't look right. So if we think it's not really you, we'll double check. Usually by texting you a security code or asking you to approve a payment using your face or fingerprint ID in our app. They need to act fast and trick you into sharing this information with them to make sure the payment goes through. You might get a call that says something like,
"Hey, I'm calling from your internet provider."
Or,
"Hi, we're your bank."
even though it's not. They might even have our phone number. They'll probably be really friendly and might even know things about you. Stuff they'll have got from links you clicked in fake delivery texts or your social media. That's how they gain your trust. During your conversation, they'll say something like,
"If you could just share the code from the text we sent you, we could process that refund right away."
or,
"Just approve your refund in your app with your face or fingerprint ID."
alarm bells should ring. Only scammers ask you to approve refunds with your ID or one-time passcode. We will never text you asking to approve a refund, only to approve a payment. Think about what you're being asked. Think who's asking. So, if anyone calls and asks you to share your one-time passcode to action a refund, or you're asked to approve a refund using your face or fingerprint ID, don't do it. Because the only people who will ever ask you to do this are criminals. Always read the scam warnings on your texts and in your app. They're there to keep you safe. Want to know more about how to avoid scams like these? Head to your security profile in your app to keep up to date with the latest on fraud and scams and learn how to stay scam savvy. Fraudsters are smart and constantly evolving how they work, but we're moving even faster to keep you safe.